Good morning, everyone. It is March 10th, a beautiful sunny day here up in Oquossoc, Maine. It's Bald Mountain Camp. There's the new construction. I want to welcome you to the sights and sounds of Bald Mountain Camps that some of you never get to hear or see. We're down here on the lake. We're harvesting ice, or actually cutting our field and getting ready to harvest ice today. What you see happening out here is us cutting a checkerboard field with that big circular saw that Tyler's pulling and Doug Burlingame. After we cut a line, pardon me, we shovel the area clean so the saw can rest as close to the ice as possible. They push it up, put the guide in, and make the next score. What we end up with at the end of this phase of it is a checkerboard field ready to put in a big handsaw. This is some of the equipment that we use here. You'll see ice tongs, a big, very slippery today, almost fell down here. A big long chainsaw that I use exclusively for ice cutting. The hand saws are rested on the ice beyond that. Big long chisel, ice tongs, etc. The picture of the guys pulling the saw and cutting a field. It's a big 15 horsepower Briggs & Stratton engine, and it's turning a 24-inch circular blade that cuts down 10 inches. There's a picture of the blade right there. We cut the rows horizontally, and now we're going to cut the rows in the opposite direction that will create the checkerboard field. You can see they're all nice, perfectly straight. Hold on 1 second here, and I'll show you how we set it all up. There's the sawdust coming out from the saw cut. And they're cutting up the field right now, creating the other half of the checkerboard field. As they work, these other fellas here will clean off the ice and make sure that we're nice and smooth and ready for the next cut. After this is transpired, we take the big hand saws and then we cut out the blocks. The ice is very thick this year. We're very late in getting this done. Rather inclement weather this winter, sub-zero temperatures in February. It was just, along with everything else that's going on, it was a little difficult to get it done. So here we are, a beautiful day in March, out on the lake. Give you a quick panoramic view here. And then when we use the hand saws, I'll come back and we'll do another short video. Show you what things are doing there. The sights and sounds of Bald Mountain Camps in the wintertime. Hope you're all enjoying it. Talk to you in a little while.